everyone, Zach here with Finale Inventory. Today we're going to learn how to pick transfer orders using the mobile barcode scanner. Let's start off with navigating to our transfer orders. We'll do that by clicking the inventory dropdown and going to stock transfers. Then from our stock transfer submenu, we'll click over to transfer orders. Now you can see here, I have one transfer order ready to pick going from my Texas warehouse to my Arizona warehouse. So we'll go ahead and click into that order. Couple of things that we want to make sure of. First, you always want to make sure that your transfer order is in a committed status. A draft transfer order or a completed transfer order will not sync into the mobile barcode scanner. The second thing we want to look at is how this transfer order is going to be received. While you can pick the transfer orders on the barcode scanner, you will not be able to receive them. You have two options on how these will be received. First is by having the transit sublocation set inside of your transfer order. As you can see here, I have the transit sublocation set for receiving. That means that once I have picked this transfer order on the mobile barcode scanner, it will all be automatically received to that transit sublocation. The other option would be to have no transit sublocation set, and in that case, you would be able to manually receive the transfer shipment once it has been picked. After it has been picked, it will be in a ship status instead of a receive status. So once you have all of that set, let's go ahead and print off our transfer order so we have something to scan into the barcode scanner. And we'll do that by clicking the down arrow next to the print transfer order and then choosing print transfer order with barcode. This will bring up the barcoded document that we can scan in, and we can head into our warehouse and start picking the transfer order. So to start picking in the warehouse, we always want to start by syncing our barcode scanner. We'll choose option 1 from the main menu on our barcode scanner for sync. It'll ask if you're still logged in. You can re-input login information as needed, but I'm just going to click yes and then go ahead and sync my scanner. So we'll select sync one more time and then OK. Now to start picking, we're going to go select more to go to option 6 for the transfer from the main menu, and then we're going to choose option 2 for pick transfer order from our transfer submenu. Here we can choose to either scan packed orders all at once, which we will talk about in a separate training video, or we can choose to scan every item. Scanning every item will be necessary if you utilize multiple sublocations. First, it's going to ask us to go ahead and scan in our transfer order. We will do this by scanning the barcode at the top of our document that we printed off earlier. And then it's going to guide us through the warehouse to pick all the items that are needed. As you can see here, it's telling me to go to sublocation AA01, so I will go ahead and scan that sublocation barcode. Now it's letting me know that I need to pick a single quantity of product A-100. I will go ahead and scan that product now. And now it's letting me know that that is the correct item, and our next pick is going to be at sublocation AA02. So we'll go ahead and click OK and then head over to that sublocation and scan that barcode as well. Now that we're in location AA02, it's letting us know that we need 2 of product A-102. So I'm going to go ahead and scan my first one. Then I'll go ahead and scan my second one as well. Now the scanner is letting us know that everything was good with that pick, and our next pick is going to be in the same place. So we can go ahead and scan our next item, which is going to be A-103. Perfect, and now we are moving on to sublocation AA03. So we'll go ahead and head over there and scan that sublocation barcode. Now it's telling us we need a quantity of 2 of product A-104. So we'll go ahead and scan in each of those. Now it is letting us know that that item is done and that there are no more picks left to scan, so we'll click OK. And now we will see that our order is done, so we can click Enter. Now, if we have another transfer order to pick, we can go ahead and scan that order in and follow the same steps. Or we can press Menu and exit to Main Menu, at which point we can complete any other transactions needed, or go ahead and sync this into the Finale web application. So we're going to go ahead and choose option 1 for sync, Again, we'll input login information if needed, but I'm just going to click yes here. And then we'll go ahead and sync that transaction back to the Finale web application. And we are finished. At this point, we can head back to our transfer order within the Finale web app. As you can see, we do have our transfer shipment created based off of what we just scanned in on our mobile barcode scanners. You will see that this transfer shipment is in a received status. And once again, that is based off of us having a transit sublocation defined as part of our order data. Once again, if you do not have that transit sublocation defined, it will come in as a ship status. And you'll be able to click right into your transfer shipment. And here you will see a receive shipment option in addition to the cancel shipment button that you are seeing here. Um, so once you're ready, you would go ahead and receive that shipment. Or again, if you defined a transit sublocation to receive that to, as I did, it will already be received for you as soon as you sync your scanner. Once again, if you have any other questions on this or any other topic, please feel free to check out our other help articles and videos or reach out to us at service@finaleinventory.com. Thank you.